Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create text behind object video editing with InShot editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on video and select new, and then I'm going to choose my video. For example, I'm going to choose video from my download album. I'm going to select this video guys. Okay, and I'm going to add text to my video. We can go to the text menu, select text, and add your text here. I'm just going to type in, for example, text intro. Then you can change the font if you want. Let's try another font. I'm gonna go with let's try this one or this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and we can make the text align with our video like this guys, and click on the check mark, and then we're going to export this video. Wait, I'm going to remove the watermark. Okay, I'm going to export it. We can click on export and select export and wait for a moment until the video has been exported to your gallery. Okay, and then we're going to create new project guys, so we can click on create new and import the video we have just saved. Okay, this one, and then we're going to import the original video. Go to the PIP and then select the original video, and we're going to click on this icon to fit the screen. Oops, sorry. Okay, and remove the background of this video. Go to Coded, select Coded. Okay, and the Coded is complete, and this is the final result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the text behind object has been created with this trick. Okay, and I'm just going to click on the check mark, and then you can export the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text behind object video editing using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.